Experiencing mobile data problems on Total Wireless? The most common culprits are incorrect APN settings and outdated carrier updates. First, verify your APN settings. The access point name connects your device to Verizon's data network. On Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, then Access Point Names. Ensure it's properly configured. Next, perform a carrier update. This refreshes your connection to the network. On iPhones, go to Settings, General, About. A prompt will appear if an update is available. Addressing these 2 points resolves a majority of data connectivity issues, often without needing a full reset. If APN and carrier updates don't fix the issue, a network reset is the next step. This clears your device's network settings, forcing it to reconnect. On Android, this is usually found under Settings, General Management, Reset, Reset Network Settings. On iPhones, it's under Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. Looking ahead, Total Wireless is increasingly using AI-driven tools within their app to automatically detect and fix APN issues, reducing reliance on manual adjustments. With Verizon's ongoing 5G upgrades, these app-based solutions and infrastructure improvements aim to minimize data outages and streamline troubleshooting. As of mid-2025, this has already reduced support calls by 40% for users.